Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategic or compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, we do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us for less than $9 a month, information is available in the description below. Today's video we're going to be looking at MMTLP and a new update from Nextbridge Hydrocarbons, including an update on the S1. We're also going to be looking at Rocket Lab, which had 2 successful launches and a new price target that was also shared in the Discord, and also looking at ticker symbol QMCO, which was a huge call in the weekly watch list, currently up over 150%. So keep an eye out on that one. So before we get started, let's have a look at what's happening in the market. So first of all, we can see headline here from Biotech Finance. The US opens higher, the Dow Jones hits a new all-time high. So great news for the markets here. So let's have a look at the overall performance. Dow Jones approximately 44,687, and I know it went up a little bit higher than that as well. S&P 500 up 0.68% and the Nasdaq up 0.82%. So great news here overall for the markets, and the Dow Jones did hit an all-time high, crossing 44,740. So let's have a look at the heat map, and we can see here almost a clean sweep of green except for Nvidia, currently down 3.15%, and I also think Microsoft is currently potentially a good buy as well. In other negative news with regard to bio stocks, these are stocks that I currently try to avoid, but bad news here for ticker symbol SAVA, also known as Cassava Sciences. In the pre-market it was down approximately 84%, currently trading at that time at $4.02. So there was bad news shared in the Discord, picked up here in our Biotech channel, where it states here that the Alzheimer's drug Stimulan failed the phase 3 trial. So not good news there for Sava, so always trade with care. Other good news shared in the Discord was with regard to a significant insider buy, and that was Philip Daniel C reporting 32,000 shares of LDWY. So keep an eye out on that stock in particular. Let's now have a look at ticker symbol RKLB, also known as Rocket Lab. This is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel, and we also covered it when it was trading around about $12, currently up over 100% from that. So let's have a quick reminder in terms of the company. Rocket Lab is a company that was established in 2006. It's an end-to-end space company with an established track record of mission success. They deliver reliable launch services, satellites, manufacture spacecraft components, and also on-orbit management solutions. So in terms of the company, they've become the second most frequent company launching US rockets annually, and have delivered more than 200 satellites to orbit for private and public sector organizations. And it was a stock that I stated that it could potentially hit $100 in the long term. So the news I'd like to share with you right now was shared live in our news section in the Discord, the live trading data and alert section, where we've got news here. We can see shared that Rocket Lab launches 5 Kinesis satellites, advancing global IoT connectivity, and we also added it to our daily stock alert. So right now in terms of the chart, we can see at time of editing currently trading at $23.49. It was also quite significantly in the pre-market. It has been a little bit of a pullback, but again that will also be profit taking and people potentially averaging down as well. Congratulations to also one of the members who's invested in Rocket Lab, and what he did, he sold some of his investments in Nvidia, and has now, I believe, he's now doubled his money. So congratulations there. But let's now have a look at the other news I'd like to share with you. So from Yahoo Finance, obviously we have news here that they successfully launched 2 missions in less than 24 hours. So as far as that is concerned, these missions were launched obviously successfully, the 14th mission of 2024 and the 56th launch overall. So great news there. But there was other news that I'm going to share with you here, and from Yahoo Finance, again breaking news shared here. Rocket Lab price target has been increased to $30 from a previous $25. Let's have a look at the latest PR from Nextbridge Hydrocarbons, and what I posted earlier is that the company have provided an update of 2024 year-end operational activities, and are also pleased to announce the Form 10Q for the 3rd quarter of 2024. So let's go straight ahead to have a look at the PR. So this is dated November the 25th, 2024, and we can see here they've stated that Nextbridge Hydrocarbons is providing an update for 2024 year-end operational activities. And they've stated that they're pleased to announce that there are several operational updates as the fiscal year 2024 draws to a close. So let's have a look at some of these that have been shared via the company. And first of all, they are stating here they've changed the independent accounting public firm and restated the financial statements for the fiscal year 2022, and after filing the Form 10K for the year ended December the 31st, 2023, they've received a comment letter from the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance asking for clarification on information in the Form 10K. So they've stated here they are actively working with the SEC to resolve these comments and update the 2023 Form 10K. So they are in a position to update the registration statement form S1 that they originally filed in January 2023, and I think this is one of the longest S1s that has not been approved that I have certainly seen from my own experience. And they also say here they're pleased to announce that they filed the Form 10Q for the third quarter of 2024 prior to its due date. So let's have a look at some of the key additional highlights which I think are important, and they go on to say the company have moved corporate offices from the prior location in Fort Worth, Midland, Texas. They are now decided to relocate to the Midland within the offices of McCabe's Petroleum Corporation, also known as MPC, where a similar rent-free agreement will be enjoyed. So again, positive there from a reduction of cost point of view. So I'm going to share with you here a quote from Greg McCabe, who stated that 2024 has seen many operational challenges and a few setbacks, but we have met them all and will continue to do so unwaveringly. This is an exciting and rewarding time, and I look forward to updating our loyal shareholders on what the team here at Nextbridge continues to accomplish on multiple fronts as we bring the year to a close. And I think I can pass a message on here to Greg and state I think all the shareholders are eagerly awaiting these updates from you, which I think could not happen as quick as we certainly need. So reaction here from Jonah, who stated, I love the tongue-in-cheek response to the shills by McCabe and Nextbridge Hydrocarbons. So first of all, she's identified some positives. Change of address, free office space, update coming for loyal shareholders, and I assume that would be all shareholders. SEC interference on S1, so that's an implication from the point of view of the SEC asking for more information, which the company are certainly dealing with, and also that McCabe is definitely aware and responsive. So we've covered that in some previous videos as well. So overall positive there. And finally, I'm going to share a post from John Wick, who stated here in terms of a resolution, I don't think we're going to see anything in terms of a resolution for MMTLP fiasco until the Trump team is officially in office. So kick back, don't go crazy over the circus show playing out right now. So I'm not sure if this is going to happen, but certainly I know that many people are holding the hopes up for this. I think one positive that has already happened and has been announced is obviously the resignation of Gary Gensler. So what we need is somebody to come in with a bit more integrity, with a bit more honesty, and somebody to get this sorted out as quickly as possible. And finally, let's finish off by giving a quick shout out to our weekly watch list shared prior to trading on the Monday. So the first two stocks I'm going to share with you here that we called, first one was CLVT. I believe that's also doing well, and there was news that we shared with regard to insider buying and recent dark pool buying. And the other one I think that is probably the best call so far in our weekly watch list is ticker symbol QMCO. This was also shared earlier in the video, so let's have a look at a quick review of the previous week's weekly watch list. We're keeping a close eye on SMCI, up 65.4% on the week and also doing well right now, and possibly going to avoid delisting from the Nasdaq, fingers crossed. AZI, that was up 52% Monday to Tuesday, closed up 7.6% on the week, and other good calls were Bloom Energy, up 21% on the week. LUNR also up 23.8% on the week. So if you would like to get a copy of our daily stock alerts and the weekly watch list, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.